Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making both devices discoverable and ready. On the sending device, open the app you want to move and choose Share or Export right away. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network or have Bluetooth active so discovery works quickly. On the receiving phone, open Quick Share and set visibility to everyone or contacts so the sender can find you. Once devices see each other, tap the app file or package to start the transfer handshake. You should see a progress prompt. You accept the incoming transfer and grant any permissions Quick Share requests. This ensures the package can be received and stored. During transfer, watch the progress bar and keep both devices unlocked and screen on to avoid interruptions from sleep or power-saving modes. If you are moving an APK or app package, you may need to enable installation from unknown sources briefly on the receiver. This is only for sideloaded apps. Once transfer finishes, make sure the file saved to downloads. You finish by installing or importing the transferred app package and checking basic functionality right away so you catch issues early. If the transfer fails or stalls, retry the send. Toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then reopen Quick Share to force a fresh discovery. If devices still do not see each other or permissions misbehave, a quick reboot of both phones usually clears cached connection states and permission glitches. Once done, set visibility back to private and remove temporary install permissions for security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.